We're going to go through these fast. Number 1.
Lined notebooks. This is the simplest book you can publish on Amazon. Blank lined pages, a cover, and that's it. You can make one in Canva in under an hour. The royalty is small. We're talking about maybe $1 to $2 per sale on a $6.99 notebook, but getting started is basically free.
Number 2. Logbooks. These are notebooks with a specific purpose. Mileage logs, blood pressure trackers, food diaries, fishing logs. The niche is the product. A blank notebook sells for $6.99. A blood pressure log for women over 50 sells for $8.99 because it solves a specific problem. Same effort to make, higher price, less competition.
Number 3. Planners and calendars. Weekly planners, monthly planners, academic planners, meal planners. These take a little more design time because the layouts matter, but they also sell for more. And they're seasonal. A 2027 planner sells from about September 2026 onward, so you need to plan ahead for these.
Number 4. Journals. Gratitude journals, prayer journals, prompted journals, self-care journals. The difference between a journal and a notebook is the prompts. A lined notebook is blank. A gratitude journal says, 3 things I'm grateful for today at the top of every page. That prompt is the value, and it's why journals can price at $99 to $12.99.
Okay, those are the low content books. You don't need to be a writer for any of them. Now let's move into the ones that take a little more creative work.
Number 5.
Coloring books. This is the one everyone talks about. Bold and easy is the trend that blew up. You need original illustrations, either hand-drawn, made in Procreate or Canva, or generated with AI tools. A good coloring book is 30 to 50 pages of illustrations, and it can sell for $6.99 to $9.99. The catch? The niche is crowded now, really crowded. When you check the Amazon bestseller rank, the BSR, on the top coloring books, you'll see they're already selling hundreds a day. So your niche research has to be sharp if you want to compete.
Number 6. Activity books. This is the one that we really like. These are for kids, mazes, dot-to-dot, tracing, matching, word searches for younger ages. Parents buy these constantly, especially before road trips and summer break. They take more layout work than journals, but less artistic skill than a coloring book. And the kids market on Amazon is enormous. Number 7.
Workbooks. Educational workbooks, math practice, handwritings, language learning, homeschool curriculum supplements. These are the medium content books with the longest shelf life. A cursive handwriting practice for kids workbook doesn't go out of style. It just keeps selling year after year.
Now there's one more medium top content type, and it's the one we're saving for the end because it's the one that wins, and we'll come back to it. Number 8, nonfiction. How-to guides, self-help, reference books, cookbooks. If you know something well enough to teach it, you can write a nonfiction book and sell it on KDP. The royalty on a $14.99 paperback after printing costs can be $4 to $6 per copy, and a Kindle version priced at $4.99, you're earning $3.49 on every digital sale with almost no cost.
And here's the part that most people miss. If you enroll that Kindle version in KDP Select, it goes into Kindle Unlimited too, so you earn royalties every time a subscriber reads a page. That's 2 income streams from the same ebook.
These are really good for audiobooks, and not very many people are doing them, but there's a strong market for this for audiobooks. People want to listen to how to do something. Number 9, fiction. Novels, short stories, romance, mystery, science fiction. This is the hardest category to break into because the competition is massive and readers are loyal to their favorite authors. But if you can find an underserved subgenre, fiction has the highest ceiling on KDP. Some fiction authors are earning 6 figures a year from their backlist alone. Number 10.
Children's picture books. A children's picture book is typically 24 to 32 pages with full color illustrations and a short story. You need an illustrator, or you can use AI tools now, and the design has to be professional. These sell for $8.99 to $12.99 in paperback, and parents buy them as gifts constantly.
Number 11, poetry and short collections. This one surprises people. Poetry books, quote collections, and short devotionals. They're inexpensive to produce. They've got loyal readers in specific niche genres, and they make beautiful gift purchases. The royalty per unit is small, but so is the effort. Number 12.
Large print editions. Take any book you've already published and reformat with a larger font size and bigger margins. Upload it as a separate listing. That's it. Now you have a second product from the same content, targeting an audience, older readers with visual impairments, that is actively searching for large print and finding almost nothing. The competition in large print is shockingly low.
Number 13. Hardcover. Amazon added hardcover publishing to KDP, and most sellers still don't use it. A hardcover version of your book sells for a lot more, $19.99 to $24.99, and the royalty reflects that. It also makes your listing look more professional. If you've already got a paperback on KDP, adding a hardcover version is just a second upload with adjusting formatting. Same content, higher price, new customer. These sell a lot at Christmas.
Number 14.
Puzzle books. Word search, crossworks, Sudoku, number fill, and this is the type that wins.
Here's why. Puzzle books give you the most money for the least amount of work on the entire platform. You don't need to be a writer. You don't need to be an artist. The content can be generated with tools like BookBolt or Canva. A 100-page word search can list between $7.99 to $9.99, and because the page count is high, your printing cost stays reasonable and your margin is solid.
But the real reason puzzle books win in this competition, everyone is fighting over coloring books right now. The puzzle book space, it's wide open by comparison. If you niche down, you're a winner. Few sellers, consistent demand, and audience. Most adults buy multiple books because they finish them and need the next one. That's repeat customers built into a product.
And they're seasonal proof. Coloring book trends come and go. People do puzzles all year round. A good word search published today will be selling 3 years from now.
So if you're new to KDP and you want the shortest path to your first real sales, puzzle books are the answer. Not the flashiest, not the one that everyone's hyping, but the one that actually works.
So that's all 14. Lined notebooks, logbooks, planners, journals, coloring books, activity books, workbooks, nonfiction, fiction, children's picture books, poetry, large print, hardcover, and puzzle books. Every type of book you can publish on Amazon KDP.
And if you want to see how we actually make one of these books start to finish, that's coming up next on this channel. So make sure you hit that subscribe button.